Hey, creative minds. Want to make mind-blowing AI images without a fancy computer? Meet FLUX.1 Kontext, the open-source image editor that's like the GPT-4o of AI art, powerful, free, and a total game-changer. Built by Black Forest Labs, it's blowing up online, and you can run it on an RTX 3060 or better. In this 5-minute guide, I'll show you how to set up FLUX.1 Kontext on your PC using ComfyUI to create pro-level AI images. Don't worry, I'll keep it simple and fun. Let's get started. Welcome to the Tenorshare AI channel. Before we go full tech mode, you can test FLUX.1 Kontext instantly with Flux Playground. Just head to the website links in the description, type a prompt like a magical forest at dusk, and watch AI create a gorgeous image in seconds. It's a great way to see the magic before setting up locally. But for the real deal, let's move to ComfyUI. Step by step, run FLUX.1 Kontext with ComfyUI. ComfyUI is a super user-friendly tool that lets you build AI workflows like a pro. Here's how to set it up on your PC with an RTX 3060 or better. Follow along and you'll be creating AI art in no time. Step 1. Prep your computer. First, we need two tools, Git and Python. Get Git. This grabs the ComfyUI files. Search online for Git download, install it, then open command prompt. First, press the Windows key +R on your keyboard. That'll pop up the Run dialog box. Next, type cmd and hit Enter to open the command prompt. Once you're in, type Git version and press Enter to check if Git is working. If everything's set up right, you'll see a version number pop up on the screen. Install Python 3.10. ComfyUI loves this version. Search Python 3.10. Download, grab it, and during installation, check the box that says Add Python to PyTH. After, in command prompt, type Python version and pip version to confirm they're ready. Want to install ComfyUI locally with just a few commands? Here's the short version. You'll clone the repo, set up Python, install the dependencies, and run it. Sounds complex? Don't worry, I've put all the exact commands in the comment section below, so you can copy and follow step by step. You'll be running ComfyUI on your Windows PC in just a few minutes. And yes, it's all local, no cloud, full control. 2. Launch ComfyUI in the ComfyUI folder, run. 3. Your browser will open to localhost. That's ComfyUI's interface. Load a workflow, click the load button or press Ctrl+O. Go to ComfyUI/workflows and pick a file called something like FLUX.context dev, basic, from the Flux templates. 4. Choose your model in the workflow. Find a node called load checkpoint. Click its dropdown and select FLUX.1, venv AT5M2. Step 4. Create your first AI image. You're almost there. In ComfyUI, hit the play button in the top right corner. Give it a moment, and your AI image will pop up in the Workflows image node. Congrats, you just made AI art. Quick fixes for common issues. Model not showing up? Double check that FLUX.1 dev FP AT5M2. Save tensors is in ComfyUI/models/checkpoint/. Workflow won't load? Make sure you picked a JSON file, not the model file. GPU not working? Try reinstalling PyTorch or updating your GPU drivers. You did it! With FLUX.1 Kontext and ComfyUI, you've got a pro-level AI art studio on your PC. No cloud or pricey gear needed. Play with fun prompts, try different workflows, and let your creativity run wild. And if you want faster, harder to detect AI content, you can try Tenorshare AI Bypass. Click the link below the video for a free trial. If this guide helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more AI tutorials, and share your awesome creations in the comments. Want a shorter version for TikTok or Shorts? Let me know.